Okay, students, in this video we're going to look at two examples where we add and subtract polynomials. So this is an example of adding polynomial expressions. The 3x cubed minus 2x plus 4 is one polynomial expression, and the negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 7 is another polynomial expression. Now you should know how to identify the degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is determined by the highest exponent in the polynomial. So the degree of the first polynomial is 3. The degree of the second polynomial is 2. That's not important when adding and subtracting, but it is something that you should be aware of. Okay, so when you're adding polynomials, the first step I like to do, let's put an equal sign to indicate that what we're going to write is equal to what is stated above, is to just simply drop the parentheses. Now, don't bring down this plus. Bring down the terms in the second polynomial, including their signs. So you're going to write minus 2x squared, and then minus 5x, and then plus 7. Now we look for like terms. Now, like terms are terms that contain the exact same exponents over the exact same variables. So 3x cubed. So you're looking for another x cubed. There's nothing like it, so there's no term to combine with it. Now let's go in order from highest to lowest. That means our answer would then be in what's called descending order. So now we're looking for x squareds. There's only one. So minus 2x squared. So remember, always bring the sign with the term. Don't forget that. See how it's a negative 2x squared? And it stays a negative 2x squared. Always bring the sign with the term. Okay, next, we're looking for x to the first power. That means any term that has an x with no exponent. There's really a 1 there. You got to remember that. So I see a minus 2x, and I see a minus 5x. And now the constants, plus 4 and plus 7. Okay, so now we just combine the like terms. 3x cubed stays the way it is. Minus 2x squared stays the way it is. Now we need to combine this by adding the coefficients. Negative 2x minus 5x becomes minus 7x. And then add these by grouping them. 4 plus 7 is 11, so positive 11. And there's our final answer for this addition problem. Okay, let's look at a subtraction problem now. So this says subtract. Okay, now, you can think of this two different ways. This minus sign, and the way I like to think about it, is we're actually distributing that minus sign. Which means that every term in the second polynomial changes signs when you bring it down. So, first, bring down the first polynomial the way that you see it. Now, instead of a positive 3x squared, it's going to become a negative 3x squared. Instead of a positive 7x, we bring down a minus 7x, and instead of a negative 10, we bring down a plus 10. We've just distributed that negative sign and brought those terms down. Now we combine any like terms. So negative 5x squared and minus 3x squared are like terms. Plus 2x minus 7x are like terms. Minus 9 and plus 10 are like terms. Negative 5x squared minus 3x squared is negative 8x squared. 2x minus 7x is minus 5x. Negative 9 plus 10 is positive 1. And there's our answer.